Hey you guys, it's cleaning day. If you hear Theo in the background, he's annoyed because he's in his carrier right now, but it's what I gotta do to get this place cleaned. So it's the Tuesday after my birthday weekend. My Wi-Fi is out. The cable internet guy is coming. And yeah, I gotta clean and disinfect and all this other stuff. So Theo has a small case of worms and he received treatment for it. I'm also gonna be putting some things in his food. I think he probably picked up the worms when he was out on the street because I did adopt him as a stray. He doesn't have heartworm or anything like that. I had him tested. He was tested before I took him home, but they tested him again. Right now he's having a tantrum. So I'm gonna hurry and get to the cleaning. They're telling you to hide your stuff and lock your cars and don't get got in these streets. Theo and I are at the dog park. Let's go, Theo. Stay on this side. No street, no street. No street. Put him on a shorter leash. He hates every type of restraint. Oh, Theo. So he chews. Alright, don't pull, Theo. We're working on walking. Theo. Gotta throw this leash away so people aren't thinking we're paupers or something. He likes to chew leashes, usually when not in use, but sometimes when they are, when he's having a tantrum. That's not your house, Theo. Let's go. Appreciate you for walking on the inside, though. He loves to run. Loves it.